day, sir, madam. My name is Jerilyn Balbino. I'm married, undergraduate in college at Hotel Restaurant Management in St. Clair's College.
How many years only?
1 year only.
1 year in college. Okay,
College,
continue.
then,
Sure.
I experienced work as a domestic helper in Singapore since February 2009 until October 2013.
Oh.
My duties in as a maid is house cleaning, washing the clothes, cleaning house, then take care the children.
So you mean to say you are doing all the household
The household.
chores? Okay. So you've been in Singapore for 4 years.
Yes.
One family only.
One family
Okay.
only.
How many members in the family?
4
Mom, sir.
mom, sir, then the 2 sons.
They have 2 sons. Okay.
Yeah.
When you start working, that was year 2009. How old is the eldest son?
The eldest is 19.
Oldest is 19.
Yeah.
Then the second?
The second is 17.
All adult.
Yeah, adult already.
Okay. And when you left, there are still 4.
They, yeah,
So
but they for good already in the China. Because my madam work in China.
Okay. So supposedly if they were not able to go for good in China, so
My
maybe
son
until
only-
now,
My
you're
son,
still
yeah, I
working.
still, yeah,
Okay, so they cannot bring you to China.
no,
But supposedly they want also to bring you.
yeah.
Okay.
But-
But you still have communication with your employer?
Just now don't have already madam because they China already. I have no,
No address.
no address. No,
Okay.
they did not give me the contact when they go.
But they give you a release letter or recommendation letter?
I did not get madam because I did not put in mind that I want
You're planning to work again.
again. Yeah, I want to stay here in the Philippines.
Okay,
But
okay. And anyway, tell us about your workers. Since you wake up in the morning until night, since that time maybe most of 4 of them, they are out during daytime
Yeah.
for work.
yeah, I cleaning only the house,
How big?
washing the clothes.
How big is the house?
Small only the
2-story house?
flat,
They're staying in a condominium.
Condo.
How many bedrooms?
3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, then 1 living room and 1 dining kitchen.
Okay. So you of course maintain the cleanliness.
Yeah, cleanliness.
You did prepare the food every day.
Only dinner.
Yeah, dinner because of course
Yeah,
the daytime they are out
Outside.
for work.
Yeah.
But morning you need also to prepare some
No.
light breakfast.
No.
Even a very light breakfast,
No.
coffee. Just
No.
Okay.
No.
So during nighttime, so you have a very
Free time.
yeah.
Those are sometimes if my sir ask me to do the outside work, can I
Like what?
part time?
Oh really?
Yeah.
But Hong Kong not allowed, ah?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, you have a good working relationship, I
Yeah,
know,
we
because you
can-
kind of stayed there
yeah.
for 4 years.
For 4
Okay.
years.
But let's say this time employer got small children to take care.
Can madam, I can take
Infant?
care. Yes.
Toddler?
Yes, madam.
Preschool, it's
Yes,
okay.
madam. It's okay to me.
Why? Why it's okay with
Because I
you?
want to learn all
But do you have any experience caring on children?
my baby.
Of course, you're a mother, no?
Yeah.
How many children you have?
2. 1
You have-
boy, 1 girl.
Okay, how old are your kids now?
The eldest is 10 years old. The youngest is 5 years old.
So when you left before for Singapore, the youngest is only about
6
1.
months.
Oh, not yet. Only 6
Yeah.
months. And who took care of your kids when you're not
My
here?
father.
Okay. And this time, if ever you can go?
My father.
How about your husband? Will still allow you?
My husband is.
You mean to say you were separated already? Even before when you were in Singapore?
No, madam, but just now.
Only now. Okay.
Because
So-
I stay already long in Singapore. I did not have.
even when you're in Singapore, that time already started that you have separated.
Yeah.
So it's okay with you, ah?
Yeah. it's
Your
okay.
priority is
my
future.
children.
And this time, how long are you planning to work in Hong Kong?
Until I support to Gold College to finish.
Of course, you have to work hard, prove to the employer that you deserve to stay long with them. So what can you assure to them if ever they will hire you?
To my future employer, I promise to finish my 2-year contract as I can.
Of course, and given a chance to work for more than 2 years,
Yeah.
you're willing?
I'm willing to extend my
Okay,
contract.
by
to
the
them.
way, can you name, let's say, around 4 simple Chinese dishes you always prepare for your employer?
Chicken rice,
What else?
then bak kut teh, then fried veggie.
Stir fry vegetable like
Yeah,
that?
vegetable, then
Soup?
soup, bak kut teh soup,
Mhm.
then lotus root soup, then the
So the long time boiling soup
yeah,
you can.
you boil
How about the steaming like that?
steamed fish, something like that, madam. Then fried veggie.
And anyway, you can follow instructions.
Yeah, follow
So you try to learn.
Yes.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, madam.